Thanks for checking out the Rational Numbers video from MathCelebrity.com. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to walk you through what a rational number is, how to write a rational number, what rational numbers include, what rational numbers do not include, properties of rational numbers, and finally, if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way in a split second how to check if any number is rational or not. So with that, let's get started. What is a rational number? A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a fraction p over q, where p and q are both integers, and q is a non-zero denominator. So the way we write rational numbers is with this double line q here. So if you ever see this q, that denotes the set of all rational numbers. Now, it's important to note that rational numbers extend from, but do not include, negative infinity and positive infinity. What do rational numbers include? They include the natural or counting numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, since every natural number can be written as itself divided by 1, which is the fraction we talked about before. Rational numbers include whole numbers, which is 0, and the counting numbers, because you can write 0 as 0 over 1, which is just 0. The negative counting numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. And these include every negative counting number divided by 1. So you can write those as negative 3 over 1. Rational numbers include all fractions, such as 3 over 5, negative 4 over 7. So a fraction numerator is the integer, and a fraction denominator is an integer. And finally, decimals, so 2.4, negative 8.1, and so on. What do rational numbers not include? So as we talked about before, rational numbers do not include positive infinity, negative infinity, and one other item, they do not include imaginary numbers like I equal to the square root of negative 1. Let's talk about a few properties of rational numbers. Rational numbers to the right of 0 are positive on a number line, and to the left of 0 on a number line, there are negative rational numbers. As we move right on the number line, rational numbers increase in value. As we move left on the number line, rational numbers decrease in value. And as we said before, rational numbers extend infinitely but do not include infinity. And finally, any non-zero rational number is either negative or positive. Now, if you want to check out a few more rational number properties, I'm going to put a link to this page in the video description, but you can click this here and it will show you all the properties that we have for rational numbers. Here's a few examples, and you can keep scrolling down when I provide this link. And finally, what I promised you at the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you a split-second way to check if any number is a rational number. So if you're on our calculator, and again, I'm going to put this link in the description, you can either use this box or you can go to the top and you can type something like is 15 or 25 a rational number, and click return, and it will show you all the tests we do on these numbers. And if you scroll down here, we've got a rational number test. What this test will do is it will test your number and tell you why or why not it is a rational number. And what's nice about that is you could check any number, fraction, decimal, anything, and in one split second, you'll get your answer as well as the work required to prove your answer. So that is all today for the Rational Numbers video. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.